If you're experiencing billing problems with Chase Bank, it's important to address them promptly to avoid any further issues. Follow these steps to effectively resolve your concerns. Step 1. Gather your information. Collect all relevant documents related to your billing issue, including account statements, transaction records, and any correspondence with Chase. This will help you present a clear case when you contact customer service. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call Chase Bank's customer service number or use the online chat feature. Be prepared to provide your account information and a detailed description of the billing problem you are facing. Step 3. Explain the issue. Clearly explain your billing problem to the representative. Provide specific details such as dates, amounts, and any discrepancies you have noticed. This will help them understand your situation better. Step 4. Follow up. If your issue is not resolved during the initial contact, ask for a reference number and a timeline for resolution. Follow up with customer service if you do not receive a response within the promised timeframe. Step 5. Escalate if necessary. If you are still unsatisfied with the resolution, request to speak with a supervisor or file a formal complaint through Chase's website. Make sure to document all interactions for future reference. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve any billing problems with Chase Bank. Remember to stay patient and persistent throughout the process.